viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, in last video we have gave information about Terra Luna, and last video we have discussed about how we can recover our method of Terra Luna. So if you have not watched that video, so please go to my YouTube channel and watch that video. Sorry. So if you face any problem regarding this, so you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. So today we are going to start our new wallet review. That's name is BSC wallet. Yes, that's a Binance wallet, Binance DEX. So in this video I'm giving to complete information how to download Binance DEX wallet in your system and how to create a wallet. It is so simple and easy. In this video giving to complete information when you are going to create accounts, so which things you must have in your notepad file. So before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is cryptowalletsinfo, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So here first of all I'm going to open CoinMarketCap, and we just find the exchange of Binance, the rank. Now CoinMarketCap is open in front of me, and today Bitcoin price is almost $19,000, Ethereum $1,000. But we just discuss about today BSC wallet. You can see here the fifth number BNB of Binance Smart Chain token. So if we need to download in our extension and install and create account, so we first of all we going to click on exchange, and there is the option is spot. And then you can see here the Binance top one number in cryptocurrency market, and the exchange score point is 9.90, and total volume, liquidity, and weekly visits. This is a famous website today, so that we are going to download this wallet and create a wallet. So how can we do this? Is so simple. Just simple click on this link, and after that the link will be shown in front of you. This is official link of Binance.com. I simple click on it. Now the official website is open in front of me, Binance.com. Buy, trade, and hold 600 plus cryptocurrency on Binance. Click on I accept cookies. When this website open in front of you, you can see here the BNB price, BTC, Ethereum, Project Lexi, Green Metaverse token, GMT, and also fund your account. This is the exchange. We are not discuss about exchange or Binance website. We just discuss about Binance or BSC wallet. When you click on this box, then you can see here there shown is DEX, fast and secure decentralized digital assets exchange. Simple click on it if you need to download the extension and create account. Then the new page is open in front of you. Explore the BNB chain ecosystem, the best performing decentralized economy, ready for massive user access. You can read more information about this website from this website. You can see here. So going to click on ecosystem, and you can see here Second option, wallet. Just simple click on wallet, and then secure and trusted multi-chain wallet. Your one-stop gateway to store, exchange and earn cryptocurrencies. Multi-chain assets management, wallet direct, and there's hold key management, and also you can stake your coin and earn massive earning, and also you can swap your cryptocurrency. So we will discuss about more in my next videos. So today just we're going to download the setup and install. In our extension you can see here there is shown Google Chrome, Firefox, Brave and Edge. I have these also installed browser. If you have not, so you just simple first of all download the browser, and after that click on. But let's suppose I have installed already Google Chrome or Opera, so simple click on it. Then the add to Opera also available here. A crypto wallet for BNB, Bitcoin chain, BNB Smart Chain and Ethereum. A crypto wallet for Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. With the Binance Chain browser extension, you can send and receive fund or Binance Chain, Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum, and cross-chain transfer between both of Binance blockchains. So you can see here there the option is available, add to Opera. So I just simply click on it, add extension. Now going to open extension, open in front of me. You can see here checking means my extension is downloaded and installed in my system. Simple click on it. First of all you pin icon and then click on Binance Smart. You can see here the main interface is open in front of me. Binance Wallet, secure and trusted multi-chain crypto wallets. Click on use existing wallet or click on create wallet. So we are a newcomer on this main interface, so that we are going to create a new wallet, and after that select your preferred method. So we need to generate our seed phrases. You can also connect to your hardware wallet, but we just use first option, generate seed phrases. Then enter your strong password. We will use this password to encrypt your data. You will need this password to unlock your wallet. So viewers, before enter your password, keep in your mind you must have your password, otherwise you cannot unlock your wallet. Okay, and going to enter your password 8 or more characters, at least one uppercase character, at least 1 digits and at least 1 symbol. So I'm going to enter my strong password like my bank account, because I want to save my account from scammer or hacker. So you can see here when I enter my password here, so all option is green, means my password is strong. So you must also enter your strong password. Okay, going to also enter here my again strong password. I think something wrong here, so going to, yes, now you can see here the red question is disappear, means my password is match. Strong, enter strong password, again confirm password, click on continue. Before going to click on continue, you must read the terms and conditions. I just gave information for educational purpose, so it's depend on you, you are going to use this wallet or not. Okay, click on confirm. Then you can see here backup your seed phrases. Backup your seed phrases. Make sure you note down your seed phrases, and this seed phrases is unique to your account. Do not lose it. It can not be guaranteed. Okay, if you lose your seed phrases, you cannot recover your wallet. So keep in your mind, make a backup and save it somewhere safe. Do not use it on a phishing site. Your fund can be stolen. So I'm going to copy my seed phrases. This time I have 12 seed phrases. Going to open my notepad file and paste here. You can see here I have saved my all paste here my all seed phrases. Before going to save this notepad file, I must cross check I have written my phrases correct or not. You just check your seed phrases one by one before going to save your this backup file. Okay, one by one with spelling. If you miss one spelling, so you can't recover your word. So I have cross check, going to click on continue. Now please confirm your seed phrases by typing the correct word for each position. So I'm going to confirm my seed phrases. The seed phrase number 1 is energy. Going to copy, and you can write, it's depend on you. Paste here. Seed phrase number 2, build, and paste here. And seed phrase number 3. It's just for confirmation you have saved your seed phrases correctly or not. Okay, so you must fill this information. So I have put all my phrases according to correct order. Going to click on continue. So viewers, finally we have created successfully our Binance Smart Chain Wallet. You can see here the main interface is open in front of us. So I hope you properly understand how to download the Binance Wallet into your Google extension or your browser extension, and how to create account and how to save your phrases. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo, and also press the bell icon cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com. and you can also comment below this video. I must read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. But before going to stop this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is cryptowalletsinfo, and also press the bell icon button if you need to get the new information about new cryptocurrency wallets. You can get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.